Hi everyone, we, the peer moderators of Finlit Club, Riddhi and Tanisha, welcome you all for the induction ceremony on behalf of all the members of Finlit Club. It is a great honor to greet the audience who have gathered here to witness this ceremony.
Financial literacy is the ability to understand and effectively use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. It is the foundation of one's relationship with money. The earlier a person starts, the better off he or she will be.
Patiently you mentor and lead, sharing wisdom and meeting each need. Support and advice willingly you supply. On you, the staff and pupils all rely. It is a matter of great pleasure and honor for me to welcome our Honorable Principal Ma'am.
I consider it a great honor to welcome Mr. Kapil Bahari, CEO and co-founder of Freedom Advisory, onto the stage. He is alumni of our school and is being awarded by several organizations, and he is the author of many books.
Light signifies brightness and prosperity. It removes the force of darkness and gives us positivity. With this noble thought, let us start even by lighting the lamp.
कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Lord Ganesha is the god of good luck and auspiciousness and is the dispeller of problems and obstacles. So let's begin the ceremony with a mesmerizing Ganesh Vandana.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
We can protect ourselves from the vulnerable situation of financial crisis by being aware of the financial knowledge and by understanding its importance in our day-to-day life. To financially empower the students and spread awareness, DLDAV Model School has taken up the initiative to start the Finlit Club with an objective to protect the students from financial hazards.
We, the executive team members, want to promote awareness about finance and insurance. Now, the club is presenting its mission in front of you.
The mission of our club is to sensitize students about various aspects of finance through several fun learning activities, quizzes, crosswords, and interactive sessions. Financial literacy is an understanding of the skills and knowledge that allows an individual to make informed and effective decisions with all of their financial resources. Now, Let's have a look on a video by Athars of class 8 for better understanding about financial literacy.
Financial literacy, which is getting the right information about money so that we can manage our money properly and make our financial future safe and better. The major advantage of financial literacy is that it enables us to make our smart financial decisions. It provides the knowledge and skill that we need to effectively manage our money, budgeting, saving, borrowing, and investing. Education will change our thoughts so that our habits will also change. And when our habits will change, then our result will also change. Financial Literacy Club teaches us to manage income and expenses properly, which helps us to become independent and self reliant. Not only this, children learn about their investment options, financial market, capital budgeting, etc. Whose short and simple explanation is that from childhood, parents teaches their children to deposit a small sum of money in their piggy bank, like sometimes 10, sometimes 20, or sometimes 50. And after a certain time, when they withdraw it, it becomes a big amount. And that is what we call it as savings. That is what Financial Literacy Club teaches us. So, we should know that वित्तीय साक्षरता ही है श्रृंगार हमारा, वरना व्यर्थ है जीवन सारा.
The proposed agenda of the club is to create financial awareness amongst the students as they are the future of our country.
In order to achieve its mission, we are a team of teachers and 40 executive team members as facilitators.
Now, I would like to introduce teacher coordinators of our club. Miss Rita Anand, Miss Vanita Sambhal, Miss Renu Grover, Miss Seema Bansal, Miss Rekha Malhotra, Miss Charu Smita Arora, Miss Pratibha Bhatia, and Miss Riddhima Wadhwa.
Peer moderators, under the guidance of principal ma'am and teacher coordinators, will transform the knowledge on the steps to be taken for the financial safety, thus creating a cascade of learning.
Here we announce the executive team of FinLit Club. The president is Deepansh Thaya. Deepan, member of this club since 2018. He has participated in a lot of workshops, activities, and has done a major effort on the projects and programs given by the school. He appeared for the NFLAT exam in the year 2019. He has sincerely and willingly worked hard for the FinLit Club. The vice president is Sriddhi Singhal. She has been associated with the FinLit Club since the past 4 years. She has participated in countless activities and is one of the most distinguished and prominent members of the club. The Secretary Finance is Disha Jain. She is very enthusiastic and has participated in so many activities held in our Financial Literary Club. She also appeared for the NFLAT exam. The financial facilitators are Anshika and Vani Kapoor. The financial coordinators are Sambhav and Tanisha. And the club moderators are Ishita Sood, Manya Manan, Raghav, and Piyush Agarwal.
Vedant is going to lead the young brigades. He is a diligent and committed student, always ready to take on challenges. He has been an active participant in school events and competitions throughout the year and has received numerous merit recognition for them. He has also regularly appeared in the NFLAT exam. His collaborative and enterprising spirit will help him lead the team efficiently.
As Mr. Kapil, our guest of honor for today's this club induction, he is busy somewhere for a meeting and he's going to address us right now. Okay, so Kapil, you are here.
Thanks, ma'am. Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
Kapil, good morning, beta. So
Thank
nice
you,
to
ma'am.
see you here. And all the students are going to, you have a role model in front of them. You are a great motivator. And I think they would like to say something about you which they have prepared. Yes, Tanisha? Tanisha, you would like to say something about Kapilji?
Yes, better please give introduction of
Yeah,
sir.
give the
Yes, you have
intro
written.
and then he will address us. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, beta.
Thanks.
On behalf of Principal Ma'am, staff and Finlit members, I would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. Kapil Mahani, who spared time from his busy schedule to grace this occasion. Being a member of Finlit Club, I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion.
Yes, Kapil. You can.
Kapil, we welcome you here at this platform. Young, budded, talented students are here. So please guide them because you are a great economist and a great worker and professionally so sound, doing so well in your career. So please guide them and sensitize them about this issue. Okay?
Thank
So
you,
I
ma'am.
welcome you on behalf of DLDAV Pitampura Finlit Club. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you,
our
ma'am.
students are eagerly waiting to listen to you.
Thank you, ma'am. My video is not so good because of some connectivity issues.
No problem.
So just bear for it. And thank you, everyone, specifically the principal, ma'am, Anita, ma'am, and all the coordinating team, and specifically Charu, ma'am, who always gives me an invitation on behalf of Anita, ma'am, and invites me to motivate and speak to the young talent of India. So I think the objective of today's session is financial literacy, and the good part is that I am sitting in the financial capital of India, which is Mumbai, and wherein you won't believe there are young entrepreneurs age 13 years, wherein I know some of the entrepreneurs of 13 years. One of the name is Dabbawala, who started a startup, and that's a company which is having 200 employees. The kid has started that startup, and that startup is running at India, not only at a Mumbai level, but even at a India level, wherein everyone can do the Google after this session. So the objective of telling you this Dabbawala story is that he was not from that financial background, but he started that and made the things happen, even for him as well as for the entire low class of the society, who were just carrying the lunch box for some of the Mumbai people. And they started this concept is why they can't reduce the cost of courier charges. So they use the concept of using this dabba wala. So in Mumbai there is a concept कि अगर आपको अपना lunch गरम खाना है तो then आपके घर से एक डब्बा आएगा और एक आदमी 50-100 डब्बे उठा के लेके आएगा. तो उसने कोरियर कंपनी के को कॉस्ट का रिड्यूस करने के लिए उन डब्बे वालों को यूज किया, so दैट उनकी ट्रांजेक्शन जो है वो कॉस्ट कम हो. अब बात ये है कि 13 साल के लड़के में इतना दिमाग कैसे आया. दिमाग आना एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है बिजनेस. आई एम श्योर यहाँ पे कुछ लोग साइंस फील्ड के होंगे या कुछ लोग कॉमर्स फील्ड के भी होंगे. तो इट डज नॉट मैटर कि आप लोग साइंस पढ़ रहे हैं या आप कॉमर्स पढ़ रहे हैं या आप कुछ और पढ़ रहे हैं, मेडिकल पढ़ रहे हैं. ऑब्जेक्टिव इज every talent and every child is different, but every child has this unique way of thinking. In fact, आज के टाइम पे तो विजन किसी बच्चे का कितना बड़ा हो सकता है, you can't control them. So the objective to hear from my side is I want all those students, जो भी बच्चे आज सुन रहे हैं, चाहे वो 4th standard के हैं, चाहे वो 12th standard के हैं, चाहे वो 11th के हैं, what is around you, and what is around you starts from your pocket money, even to asking from your father or mother what are they doing, वो क्या कर रहे हैं आज के टाइम पे in terms of managing their budgets. एक घर चलाने के लिए भी एक बजट होता है, एक घर वहाँ से एक starting of budget होता है. When I was a kid, I used to manage my budget of pocket money. कि मुझे एक पॉकेट मनी में एक बजट मैनेज करना है, उसमें तो क्या नाम है, I have to do everything. So objective to tell you is that आज के टाइम पे जितने भी बच्चे हैं, चाहे वो किसी भी एज ग्रुप के हैं, और उनका मन है कि हम लोग लेट्स सपोज डॉक्टर बने या हम इंजीनियर बने, चाहे हम कॉमर्स बने, चाहे MBA करें, everyone is dependent upon the financial concept. Financial means how you are managing your finances. Finance managing is not only about taking money. It is also about that whatever you have in your pocket, how you are managing it so that you can run it in a profitable side. आपने अभी एक लेटेस्ट मूवी आई है स्कैम 1992. That's a very good movie. You all should watch one day. You will see कि उसने बोला कि it's not about every time कि आपको रेवेन्यू कमाना है, आपको प्रॉफिट कमाना है. एंड प्रॉफिट कमाने के लिए आपको बिजनेस समझ में आना चाहिए. और इनफैक्ट सिर्फ बिजनेस की बात नहीं करूँगा मैं, बिकॉज बिजनेस इज नॉट द मोटिव फॉर टुडे. ऑब्जेक्टिव इज कि हर एक चीज़ की लिटरेसी कहाँ से आती है. अगर आज आप अपने फादर और मदर से पूछते हैं कि आप अपना घर का बजट कैसे चला रहे हैं, हाउ यू आर मैनेजिंग इट. किसी के फादर शेयर मार्केट में काम करते हैं, तो एक कई बच्चों का इंटरेस्ट मैं देखता हूँ आज से तो शायद शेयर मार्केट में भी. एंड आई मेट इन वन ऑफ द स्कूल वेर इन हर बच्चे को तो क्या नाम है, उसमें तो कुछ बच्चे ऐसे थे जिनको शेयर मार्केट जानना था. और जानना क्यों था? क्योंकि उनको ये एक ईगरनेस थी कि ये होता क्या है, जिससे तो क्या नाम है, बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स विच इज इवॉल्विंग अराउंड शेयर मार्केट. तो वो एक मार्केट के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जानना. और दूसरा सबसे और इम्पॉर्टेंट बात क्या है कि आप अपनी लाइफ में विजन क्या रख के बैठे हैं. विजन कोई भी, आई थिंक रिद्धि इज फिन क्लब कोऑर्डिनेटर. रिद्धि, आप अपने लिए क्या समझ के बैठे हैं कि आप कल को क्या करेंगे?
Sir, actually, I want to become a CA.
You want to become a CA?
Yes.
Good. So you want to come in our line in terms of, but CA आज के टाइम पे CA is not a, is just a tag. If you talk about me, मेरे बारे में अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, although I am a chartered accountant, but मैं सारी चीज़ें फाइनेंस देखता हूँ, but for me फाइनेंस is one of the part. CA के बनने के बाद आप अपनी एक एक्सपर्ट लाइन चुनते हैं. जो जैसे आप डॉक्टर होते हैं तो आप डॉक्टर में एक एक्सपर्ट डॉक्टर होते हैं, कोई वेस्कुलर डॉक्टर होता है, कोई ब्रेन का डॉक्टर होता है. सो इट इज आल्सो अबाउट द CA. सो CA में भी यू कांट से कि मैं, बट अगेन हर चीज़ के अंदर एक्सपर्टीज भी होती है. तो CA तो एक बनना एक आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव है, बट CA के नेक्स्ट लाइन में बनना है. आज के टाइम पे हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बहुत सारे बच्चे इंटर्नशिप करते हैं, और जो इंटर्नशिप करते हैं वो उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होता है कि सर मुझे ना 5 कोर्सेज करने हैं, मुझे 5 कोर्सेज को ज्वाइन करना है और मुझे 5 कोर्सेज को कंप्लीट करना है. मैं उनको एक ही चीज़ समझाता हूँ, दैट डोंट रन बिहाइंड कि मेरे पीयर्स क्या कर रहे हैं, मेरे दोस्त क्या कर रहे हैं. रन बिहाइंड दैट व्हाट यू वांट फ्रॉम योर लाइफ. आपको एग्जैक्टली बनना क्या है, आपको CA बन के क्या बनना है. CA तो एक टैग है, आपको एक्चुअली अचीव क्या करना है. आपको टैक्स का अचीव करना है, फाइनेंशियल, आपको किसी कंपनी का CFO बनना है. सो अल्टीमेट टारगेट क्या है आपका, वो एक चीज़ है. सो हम गलत डायरेक्शन पे जाके बात कर रहे हैं. मेरा आपसे आज CA बनने के लिए रिद्धि क्या कर रही है?
The study well.
सिर्फ स्टडी वेल क्यों? मतलब आप अपने कभी आज तक आपने अपने घर में या अराउंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि ये समझने की कोशिश की है कि ये चीज़ क्यों मैंने आज इतने की ली है. लेट्स सपोज मैंने एक शॉपिंग करी है, और क्या मैं ये शॉपिंग और सस्ती कर सकती थी? कभी ये सोचा है? इन विच क्लास यू आर?
Sir, 11th.
तो 11th तो बहुत अच्छी क्लास है. यू आर अ गुड स्टूडेंट फॉर मी टू आंसर. तो कभी आपने अपने अराउंड में कोशिश की है कि क्या चल रहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ फाइनेंस, टैक्स, इंडियन इकोनॉमी? कभी कोशिश की है?
हाँ जी, बोलो बेटा रिद्धि.
Sir, little bit.
Little bit. I can see some names. There is a girl who is smiling, Charu Smita Madan.
She is our faculty.
Acha, she is a faculty.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning. So again, so
Any student of 11th class commerce stream, please come forward.
Even
Any student
Dipansh.
here? Dipansh is here.
Yes, Dipansh can ask questions.
बेटा आप पूछिए कुल के सर से, ही इज लाइक यू ओनली, ही इज कमिंग एट योर लेवल, तो आप आराम से पूछ सकते हैं, आप डरिए मत.
Yes,
Don't
yes.
be embarrassed and don't be thinking
you
like कि
can-
मैंने प्रिपेयर नहीं किया हुआ कुछ.
हाँ हाँ, मतलब एक ऑब्जेक्टिव आपसे ये पूछने का ये है ही नहीं कि मैं आपसे कोई आपका कोई टेस्ट ले रहा हूँ.
हाँ,
इट इज अबाउट मैं आपको एक आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू अ मिरर इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि आप जो बनने की बात कर रहे हैं.
अथर बोलना चाहेगा कुछ.
Yes, अथर.
Athar from class 8. Yes.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, principal ma'am, and all the teachers. Sir, the main question I wanted to ask that, as you have said that for becoming a CA, we need to manage our income and all. But sir, how we can manage our financial future? How we can become financial aware? Sir, I want your guidance, please.
Very good.
It's a good question. So CA बनना तो एक टारगेट है. So one target is to become a CA. But उससे पहले again आज के टाइम पे मैं उन बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करता हूँ जो कई बार इंटर्नशिप के लिए आते हैं, 12th करने के बाद इंटर्नशिप करने के लिए आते हैं. वो बच्चे जिनका कॉमन सेंस का मतलब इट्स नॉट अबाउट कि आप CA बनना चाह रहे हैं. आप कितना अपने आप को अवेयर रख रहे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ आपके आसपास क्या हो रहा है. आपके आसपास का जो माहौल है वहीं से ही आप अपनी शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. मैंने आपको सबसे बेस्ट एग्जांपल दिया कि आपके फादर और मदर से क्या आप सवाल पूछते हैं. नॉर्मली 8th स्टैंडर्ड, इनफैक्ट आज का जो मतलब बच्चे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ, मुझे लगता है वो तो बहुत सवाल पूछते होंगे, बट वो सवाल कभी उस लाइन के हैं जो एक्चुअली बनना चाहते हैं. सो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में सवाल अपने आप से पूछना तब शुरू किया जब मैंने अपनी इन CA के अंदर एक इंटर्नशिप होती है. मैंने 1 साल की इंटर्नशिप करी और मुझे वो इंटर्नशिप मिली जिस CA के पास मैं गया और इंटर्नशिप मुझे मिल गई. बट मुझे वो इंटर्नशिप चाहिए ही नहीं थी, मुझे तो कुछ और चाहिए था. बिकॉज अगर मुझसे कोई बोलता है कि आप CA हो तो मैं एक कॉमन बिजनेसमैन को सवाल के जवाब दे सकता हूँ. तो व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट इन यू एंड जो आपको करना है, CA एक टैगलाइन है, उसके अगेंस्ट में आपको पढ़ाई करनी है, वो आप करोगे. उसका कोर्स पढ़ना होगा, वो आप पढ़ोगे, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. बट व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट इज आप सब बच्चे अपनी लाइफ में, अपने अराउंड में क्या हो रहा है. फाइनेंशियल कम्स फ्रॉम एनी सिंगल थिंग इन योर बजट. मॉम, डैड, व्हाट इज आपके पापा बिजनेस क्या करते हैं, बिजनेस से कहाँ से सामान खरीदते हैं, कैसे प्रॉफिट निकालते हैं, कैसे अपने फाइनेंस को इतने सारे लोगों को मैनेज करते हैं. ये सवाल, आपके सवाल अगर यहाँ से शुरू होंगे. कोई आदमी अपने आप को इंजीनियर बनता है, इंजीनियर बनने के बाद वो ये बोलता है कि मुझे कुछ अपना करना है. कुछ बच्चों में आज से ही एक सपना होता है कि मुझे अपना करना है. तो वो अपना करने के लिए आई नो वेरियस. सो इनफैक्ट अ गुड एग्जांपल इज ओयो का जो ओयो होटल, एवरीवन हैज हर्ड ऑफ ओयो का जो ओनर है, ही इज नॉट इवन अ ग्रेजुएट. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि वो ग्रेजुएशन उसने नहीं करी, एंड ही हैज हायर्ड पीपल लाइक मी एंड लॉट ऑफ MBAs, लॉट ऑफ सीनियर पीपल, बिकॉज उसको ये समझ में आया पहले ही कि मुझे तो क्या नाम है अपनी लाइफ में कुछ बिजनेस करना था. और उसने अपने फादर से यही सवाल पूछता था कि आप अपना बिजनेस कैसे मैनेज करते हो. जब उसको ये समझ में आया, प्रॉफिट नंबर समझ में आए कि प्रॉफिट कैसे निकलता है. आई एम श्योर हर ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हर किसी के पेरेंट्स जॉब ही करते होंगे, सम बिजनेसमैन भी होंगे, और जिनके पेरेंट्स जॉब करते होंगे वो उनसे पूछो कि आप करते क्या हो अपने ऑफिस में, आप मुझे तो समझाओ. तो the awareness is not about asking from your parents. Awareness comes even from newspaper. पढ़ना बहुत गंदा लगता है, I know that, newspaper. But जितना भी अच्छा टैलेंट और अपने आप का विजन बहुत बड़ा रखना है, उसका एक ही अच्छा है that you read all those people who have become good and successful in life. Alibaba, China's the top entrepreneur. उसको बहुत सारी परेशानियां आई, एंड वो ही वॉज नॉट फ्रॉम अ फाइनेंस बैकग्राउंड, ही वॉज फ्रॉम द टेक्नोलॉजी बैकग्राउंड. बट आज के टाइम पे वो अपना लिस्टिंग मतलब यू कैन जस्ट राइट द नेम्स एंड अंडरस्टैंड आफ्टर दैट कि वो लोग कौन है जिनका मैं नाम ले रहा हूँ. इंडिया में ओयो का रितेश अग्रवाल, ओयो एंड फाउंडर. रितेश 18 साल का था जब उसने अपना बिजनेस शुरू किया. आज ओयो इज अ यूनिकॉर्न कंपनी इन इंडिया. जब अमेरिका का प्रेसिडेंट आया था, ही मेट ओयो. तो ये समझो कि जब वो 18 साल के बच्चे के पास और ही इज नॉट फ्रॉम द कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड. मैं पहली बार हमें हर किसी को समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. तो हर बच्चे को ये समझना है. मैं अभी 4th के बच्चों से या 5th या 7th बच्चों से, बट अगेन सवाल पूछो अपने आसपास के जितने भी चीजें फाइनेंस से रिलेटेड हो रही हैं, मैनेजमेंट से रिलेटेड हो रही हैं, वो सबके सवाल अपने से पूछो. एंड एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर. आपका विजन क्या है, आप कितना बड़ा कर सकते हो. मैंने सबसे पहले सेशन में एक वो डब्बे वाले का नाम लिया आप लोगों के पास. तो दैट इज अ वेरी गुड एग्जाम्पल विद मी. एंड अगर आप अंडर 18 अपने इनफैक्ट द नेम ऑफ दैट पर्सन इज तिलक मेहता and he is just 13 years old. So the objective which I want to ask is up now you can ask me questions and that is a good part I can answer.
Hanji, Lakshita,
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Ma'am,
please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, I am not able to switch on.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm from 5th class and I joined late, so I didn't understand that what is the meaning of chattered.
अनीता मैम, आपका माइक म्यूट है मैम.
Yes. So that the teacher can answer.
Any other question from Tanisha? Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, as you said, you knew what you wanted. But actually, what made you think that what you actually wanted? Like how you decided that you want to pursue in CA? Like after 12th, many students come up with this confusion that in what field to pursue. Like what made you think that way?
So my personal was something different because in my family there was one successful chartered accountant. So since 10th, I have a vision that why I am taking commerce is because I want to become a CA. But actually, I realized that CA is not my achievement. My achievement is something different, and which I realized once I started doing the CA course that my vision is not to become a CA. My vision is, मेरा vision है ये बनना कि मैं किस एक्सपर्ट लाइन में इंडिया में अपने आप का नाम कमा सकता हूँ. CA is just a degree. I am again telling you what आज के टाइम पे nobody calls me CA Kapil Mahani. People call me that I am a tax expert. I am an author. I am associated with all those companies. That companies does not take me because I am a CA.
Yes.
Companies taken me because I am an expert in some line. And to be honest with you, CA degree has just given me a tagline, but actual achievement started when I am doing my expertise in some of the line which मुझे अपनी चाहिए थी. Customs, GST, tax, indirect tax. So ये सब tax इंडिया में बहुत कम लोग, मैंने इनिशियली ये जान लिया था. एंड अगेन एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ये है, आपको ये बनना है, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट यू नीड टू डू दैट रिसर्च कि उसमें व्हाट इज दैट लाइन. डाटा अपना उसका डाटा कलेक्शन करो. अगर आप सीए बनना चाहते हो तो ये समझो, पहले ये पूछो कि कितने इंडिया में सीए हैं. कभी आपने जानने की कोशिश करी कितने सीए उसमें जॉब कर रहे हैं, कितने सीए उसमें से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और कितने सीए के नाम है. सो इन इंडिया, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू दिस, इन माई लाइन जो मैं एक्सपर्टीज करता हूँ उसके अंदर, इफ यू टॉक इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंडिया CAs who are doing a good practice is almost 100 name you can take, but CAs are 75,000. So important is how, and मैंने अपनी लाइफ में एक वर्ड और बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट सीखा, विजिबिलिटी. ये वर्ड बहुत छोटा है बट इट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. टुडे I think that everyone knows Anita ma'am because she is doing very good, but she is also making the visibility that what she is doing around her practice. So that's again a good example, and I think although I must say that you are doing the best, but again telling everyone that you are the best, and I also know that what you are doing. So it's again important. So I am not from the school industry, but since I also know this, so it's important that you are creating the vision and
I think there is some connectivity issues.
कपिल के इधर भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, I think. He'll come back. Vinita, you can message him.
Okay, ma'am.
Just wait. And students come forward with the questions, with the queries. Okay.
Ma'am, so many students wants to ask
But
questions.
you are
They have
not
raised-
coming up, beta. Ask
No,
a proper question. He is coming to your level. He is doing so well. उन्होंने बताया ना आपको. He is such a multitasker. तो ये तो आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं क्वेश्चंस. And he is amongst 75,000 CA बताए उन्होंने, और he is among 100 the leading persons. डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए हैं वो, विनीता?
हाँ जी मैम, मैसेज नहीं जा पा रहा.
प्लेन पेपर पे है, दूसरा जो एनवलप लगा रहे हैं वो भी प्लेन रखें.
यस, इन द मीन टाइम आपको बेटा सुन के सर को बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा, कुछ चार्ज हुए, आप लोग मोटिवेट हुए,
Yes,
है ना?
yes, ma'am.
कितना अच्छा लगा. He is such a big gun. He is such a big gun. He is professionally so acclaimed. But
since I have so today some urgent meeting came in Mumbai, so I have to travel, and but I have committed, so I have to.
So nice of you.
So from that, so I just close.
अथर में क्वेश्चन पूछना चाह रहा है, पूछो.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask that in this age, I'm in 8th class, 13 years old. So in this age, how can we help our country in this financial field? How can we help our country?
Oh my God.
Mr. Kapil,
Sir, as you give so much examples, there's one more example of Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google. He also become a lot in this small age. So, sir, how we can help our country in this financial age?
तो मैं कंटेंट में तो नहीं जानता, बट मैं एक चीज ये बोल सकता हूँ कि whatever you do excellence, I think automatically your achievement comes around the country. तो मैं कंटेंट में तो नहीं जानता, बट मैं एक चीज ये बोल सकता हूँ कि whatever you do excellence, I think automatically your achievement comes around the country. Or if you do something for you, let's suppose आपका interest है कि मुझे क्लास में फर्स्ट आना है, एग्जाम, so that's achievement. And आपके लिए तो क्या नाम है, टारगेट है कि मुझे फर्स्ट नहीं आना, बट आई वांट टू एक्सीलेंस व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, तो वो मेरे लिए अचीवमेंट है. और वो अचीवमेंट ऑटोमेटिकली अटैच हो जाती है आपके उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ आप अटैच हो. तो लेट्स सपोज एक्सीलेंस करी, आपने एक्सीलेंस सिर्फ करी बट अदरवाइज करी. सो अगेन सो अगर वो तिलक मेहता का मैं एग्जांपल दूं आपको, डब्बा वाला का एग्जांपल है, उसने तो क्या नाम है एक्सीलेंस, अब उसको ये समझ में आया कि मुझे ये करना है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उसने अपनी पढ़ाई छोड़ दी, स्टिल डूइंग स्टडीज प्रॉपर. और बट उसने तो क्या नाम है उसके अपने नाम, अपने हर एक उस आदमी का नाम कमाया जो भी उसके साथ एसोसिएटेड है. स्कूल, आई स्कूल, बिकॉज स्कूल इज द बैकबोन की जहाँ से तो क्या नाम अपने विजन को कन्वर्ट करता है प्रैक्टिकल पॉइंट्स पे. एंड आई थिंक दिस इज द टाइम दैट यू कैन कि जो भी आपको एक्सपर्ट काम करना है, जो भी आपको करना है, व्हाट इज योर ऑब्जेक्टिव इन लाइफ, आपका जो इंटरेस्ट एरिया है, यू अचीव इट एंड ऑटोमेटिकली यू गिव बेनिफिट टू द सोसाइटी।
वेरी ट्रू। यस प्रियांशी, आपने क्या पूछना बेटा?
एक हमारा यंगेस्ट ब्रिगेड है युवराज, he wants to ask, he's in 4th standard.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, sir.
हाँ जी बोलो बेटा।
Ma'am, I want to ask a question. Ma'am, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो 10 रुपए के अपने बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं, फिर बड़े हो जब उनका बिजनेस ग्रो होता है तो वो बहुत बड़े बिजनेस एम्पायर हो जाते हैं। How it is possible, ma'am? कैसे हो सकता है?
बेटा आई एम नॉट अ इकोनॉमिस्ट। ये संगीता मैम को मैं क्वेश्चन वैसे पास ओवर करूंगी। कपिल सर हैं यहाँ पे। यस कपिल, प्लीज आंसर द क्वेश्चन।
I think my connection got lost. Can you मतलब आप दोबारा बोलेंगे बच्चे?
वो कह रहे हैं कि
Yes, sir. I will speak one more time. Sir, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो 10 रुपए से अपना बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं और देखते ही देखते वो बहुत बड़े बिजनेस एम्पायर बन जाते हैं। How it is possible? ये कैसे पॉसिबल हो सकता है?
Give me example.
कपिल कुछ कनेक्टिविटी प्रॉब्लम है आपकी ना?
Give me a name.
बेटे नाम बताइए, किसका नाम लेना चाहिए?
युवराज डुटीजा।
Yuvraj.
Sorry?
From class 4.
No, I know युवराज, but युवराज मुझे एक चीज बताओ, आपको ये 10 रुपए एग्जाम्पल आप किसी आदमी का तो लोगे ना, तो कौन सा हु इज दैट पर्सन नेम? आप मुझे किसी का नाम लेके बताओगे, समझ में आए कि आप यू नो
मैम धीरूभाई,
आदमी कौन है?
सर धीरूभाई अंबानी।
ओह माय गॉड।
ओके, so good example. ये पढ़ा कि उसने क्या क्या किया।
यस, उसकी लाइफ हिस्ट्री पढ़िए। सर ने बोला ना आपको, रीड अबाउट द पर्सन, हिज स्ट्रगल।
मैम, so we all see what is good, क्या उसने अच्छा किया और क्या वो आज बन गया है, end result. So we are all focused about end results.
उसके
We
पीछे
are never focused about how he has achieved.
बेटा बहुत हार्ड वर्क चाहिए। सर की कुछ कनेक्टिविटी में प्रॉब्लम है। रीड हिज स्टोरी, ही वाज अ सेल्फ मेड पर्सन। उन्होंने कैसे मेहनत की, बहुत मेहनत की, तब जाके आपको ये सक्सेस स्टोरी सामने आ रही है। कपिल, आर यू देयर? नहीं।
Yes, I am there.
There is some
Is my voice audible?
yes. Arav Wadhwa, yes, ask the question.
Ma'am, I want to ask that, if we deposit our money in the bank, like we deposit 100 rupees, so how is this possible that after 1 year or 2 years when we take it out, then the amount of the money is increased?
हाँ जी कपिल।
आरव, इसके लिए आपको सबसे अच्छा आंसर है, आपके फादर क्या करते हैं आरव?
Ma'am, sir, my father makes parts of machines of cars.
Good. तो आप सबसे पहले इस सेशन के बाद LIC के बारे में, स्टूडेंट्स LIC के बारे में जानोगे कि अगर आपके फादर या आप हर महीने 100 रुपये जमा कराते हैं आप ग्रेजुएशन प्लान में, तो आपके वो 100 रुपये साल के 1200, और आई थिंक आपकी एज अभी 8 अराउंड लग रही है मुझे, तो 10 साल हैं, तो अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 11 साल के बाद व्हाट इज द अमाउंट यू विल गेट। तो अमाउंट कंप्यूट करने के लिए आपको इंटरेस्ट ऑन इंटरेस्ट मिलता है। तो जब आप ग्रेजुएशन करने के लिए जाए तो शायद आपको 5 लाख रुपए मिल जाए by just paying 1200 per month per year. तो आपका पॉइंट है कि ये तो मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दिया जो मुझे पता है। अब आपको ये जानना है, अपना गूगल करना है कि हाउ आई कैन डिपॉजिट मनी investment schemes and what are the investment schemes for under 18? I don't spoon feed any people. मैं किसी को बिना मेहनत के कुछ नहीं देता. I want किसी को अपनी मेहनत खुद करनी पड़ती है. बट वो मेहनत करने का तरीका क्या है? I can only guide you.
Very good. Yes, Niyati, you want to ask any question?
Yes, ma'am. So, sir, I am in 10th standard and I want to take up actuarial science in my future. So, sir, how can I know and what steps should I take from today so that I reach to my goal in my future?
आपने एक्चुअरियल साइंस क्यों करने का सोचा?
Sir, actually, I have great interest in economics and reading graphs and statistics. So that's why, especially in my family, also like my cousin is an actuary. So it's, we can say like she's my inspiration.
बट क्या उसने एक्चुअली बन के क्या किया? Do you know that? आपको पता है?
No, sir, not in great detail because she had like now cleared 4 to 5 exams.
तो मेरा आपको एक सजेशन है दैट इस कॉल के बाद और अपने जो भी आप बनना चाहते हैं, डाटा इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. करना चाहिए यहाँ पे वैसे.
So आप सिर्फ आपकी इंस्पिरेशन आपकी सिस्टर है, उसके बेसिस पे आप अपना करियर मत डिसाइड करो. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस. आप इस कॉल के बाद, इस वेब कॉल के बाद ये डिसाइड करो कि इंडिया में कितने एक्चुरियल हैं और कितने एक्चुरियल इंडिया में एक्चुअली इनको क्या नाम है पूरा एक्चुअली कर पाए.
It should be there क्योंकि process.
I am not saying, I am not demotivating you. I am saying but internationally means all over world में कितने एक्चुरियल हैं and what is the best package, कहाँ पे वो लगते हैं. एक्चुरियल का काम कहाँ होता है? इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में होता है. कहाँ होता है काम? आप ये समझो. ये मत समझो कि मुझे वो डिग्री अचीव करनी है. उस डिग्री के बाद क्या मेरा उसके बाद का क्या लाइफ है, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. मैं अगेन यही चीज समझा रहा था. सीए इज जस्ट अ टैग. सीए के बाद क्या लाइफ है वो आपको जाननी है, तब आप अपना डिसीजन ले पाते हो अपने व्हाट यू वांट टू बिकम. तो वो चीज पढ़ो rather than मुझे एक्चुरियल बनना है. एक्चुरियल बन के क्या होगा वो जानो. एक्चुरियल के बाद क्या होगा, क्या प्लान्स हैं, इंडिया में क्या टारगेट हैं, इंटरनेशनली क्या टारगेट्स हैं एक्चुरियल के, ये सब समझोगे तब यू विल गेट योर आंसर. और तब भी ना आए then you can take my number from the teachers and I'll guide you then.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Kapil, how many questions you can take right now? How much time you have? Otherwise, we will have some other day.
Ma'am, honest. Yes, I think just one or more question and I'll pack because
Dipansh, you have asked so many questions. Please let the others take chance. Yes, Dipansh.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Sir, my honest question is कि I have taken science in 11th class, non-medical. So how can I use finance in my life? Like, what's the role of finance in that career for engineering?
Your name is Dipansh.
Yes.
Non-medical लोग, non-medical के सारे बच्चे तो इंडिया में नंबर में हैं. Because ज़्यादातर non-medical go in IIT or DC or any other course. They understand कि मुझे टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या करना है. Let's suppose एक important word सुनने का आता है कोडिंग.
Bother you some other day.
Just closing.
Yes, thank you so much for being there.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so
Okay, ma'am. Thank you and thank you.
Yes.
We will disturb you some other day.
Yes, anytime, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much. May God bless you.
Yes.
Yes, Vinita, now you can carry forward.
Yes. Yes. I think Mr. Kapil has left.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, beta, please proceed. Start the presentation.
Peer moderators, under the guidance of Principal Ma'am and teacher coordinators, will transform the knowledge on the steps to be taken for the financial safety, thus creating a cascade of learning.
And programs given by the school. He appeared for the NCLAT exam in the year 2019. He has sincerely and willingly worked hard for the Finlit Club. The Vice President is Sriddhi Singhal. She has been associated with the Finlit Club since the past 4 years. She has participated in countless activities and is one of the most distinguished and prominent members of the club. The Secretary Finance is Disha Jain. She is very enthusiastic and has participated in so many activities held in our Financial Literary Club. She also appeared for the NCLAT exam. The financial facilitators are Anshika and Vani Kapoor. The financial coordinators are Sambhav and Tanisha. And the club moderators are Ishita Sood, Manya Manan, Raghav and Piyush Agarwal.
Vedant is going to lead the young brigades. He is a diligent and committed student, always ready to take on challenges. He has been an active participant in school events and competitions throughout the year and has received numerous merit recognition for them. He has also regularly appeared in the NCLAT exam. His collaborative and enterprising spirit will help him lead the team efficiently.
As we all know, nothing is impossible in life. So look towards a video on a goal-based approach.
Do you know anyone that puts a measuring tape around their dreams before they dream? I don't think so. Your dream can be enormous and even bizarre because there's not always an explanation for your dreams. Like this young chap from Mumbai who wanted to buy an enormous igloo in the Arctic. Pretty bizarre, right? But that wasn't the problem. The problem was he had never given as much as a thought to making his dream come true because he thought it was far-fetched and financially unachievable. The truth is, he had no idea what his dream costs. He just assumed it was unachievable and let the dream die. But why would someone need to give up their dreams? You have dreams too. It could be a house, a car, or something as bizarre as building an igloo. And you want these dreams to come true, right? No problem. It's time to make that happen. It's time to turn these dreams into goals that you can achieve.
These dreams can only become goals if a monetary value and time frame are attached to them. And these goals become easier to achieve when a solid financial plan provides that roadmap. Overall, this goal-based approach to financial planning is the very basis of modern-day personal investment management. And one word to describe these goals is SMART.
Goal-based planning can help us to achieve multiple goals across different stages of life. So now let's have a look on the Young Brigade.
Now here are the names of our Young Brigade members. Beginning from class 10th, the financial maestro is Niyati Jain, financial analyst is Sukriti Chauhan, the financial wizard is Riddhi Kanodia, and the financial appraiser is Rishabh Jain. From class 9th, the financial maestro Mehul Tharwani and Arna Rawat, financial analyst Nilay Juneja, the financial wizard Mehul Kapoor, and the financial appraiser is Shivam Pathak. From class 8th, financial maestro Tanish Gupta and a third. Financial analyst is Ananya.
From class 7th, the financial maestro is Rudran Sharma. Financial analyst is Shahira Mittal. Financial wizard is Chanakya Asri and financial appraiser is Nirbhava Kapoor. From class 6th, the financial maestro is Kanam Gupta. Financial analyst is Kanishka. Financial wizard is Mrunang Bhatia and financial appraisers are Parv Panyani and Arnab Dhaya. From class 5th, the financial maestro is Utkarsh Madan. Financial analyst is Siddhi Sharma. Financial wizard is Priyanshi and financial appraiser is Naisha Dev. From class 4th, the financial maestro is Myra Mangla. The financial analyst is Vansh Gupta. The financial wizard is Advik Gupta. And financial appraiser is Ravraj Mrudeja. From class 7th Cambridge, the financial maestro is Arav Wadhwa and financial analyst is Vihan Madan. From class 6th Cambridge, the financial maestro is Akshay Sharma. From class 5th Cambridge, the financial maestro is Samarth Saxena and financial analyst is Lakshita Sharma. From class 4th Cambridge, the financial maestro is Pranshi Chawla and financial analyst is Harleen.
मुट्ठी में कुछ सपने लेकर भरकर जेबों में आशाएं, दिल में है अरमान यही कुछ कर जाएं, कुछ कर जाएं। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। सूरज सा तेज नहीं मुझ में, दीपक सा जलता देखोगे। अपनी हद रोशन करने से तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे, तुम मुझको कब तक रोकोगे।
Song is a very rich source of entertainment. So here we present a song by Manya of class 11.
लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी है दुआ। गुजरी ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं, लेकर सूरज से याद याद आई जा अपने राग दाग आशाएं। कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की। अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। हो
What a melodious song! Now, let us tell you about the activities conducted by our school in the previous years.
National Financial Literacy Assessment Test, NFLAT, is conducted by National Center for Financial Education, NCFE, in collaboration with CBSE. Financial literacy is the core life skill that focuses on knowledge, behavior, and attitude required to make money.
For the first time in 2013-14, the school appeared in NFLAT at national level and bagged first prize and won a cash prize of ₹25,000 and a trophy.
Second time in 2014-15, the school appeared and again bagged first position.
In succession, the school made a hat trick by winning first prize for the third time in 2015-16.
Again, in the year 2016-17, our school got selected in the top 10 schools of India, and the students of class 9 and 10 won a cash prize of ₹3,000, and Palakgarh ranked first at regional level and won a certificate, tablet, and a medal.
Our school have organized various sessions and workshops to guide the students about finance.
A workshop on financial literacy was conducted in 2016 by Dr. Sunita Garg, Associate Professor of University of Delhi and Official Trainer of Security and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. A workshop on financial literacy was conducted in July 2019 by Mr. Ram Kumar, Zonal Manager of Punjab National Bank, followed by Mr. Varun Malhotra. Various sessions were held by eminent personalities from different fields. Time to time, our school provided resource materials to the students appearing for NCLAT.
Our school have organized many for learning, interesting and indulgent activities in classrooms like crosswords, quizzes, puzzles, etc.
A valuable attempt has been started by DLDAV Model School to raise financial and cognitive awareness of the characteristics of national currency amongst the students who are our future nation builders. The aim of this campaign is to build an advanced diversified financial sector in order to support the national economy, stimulate savings and investment. We will be doing different activities for sensitizing the students and indeed parents by conducting different fun learning activities.
We will be providing students with different types of interesting modules, pictorial, as well as factual information of use and value of money.
Students will be explained about income and budgeting through pictorial information. Students will be asked to make DIY piggy bank and colorful posters. Every student will be provided with a crossword with some modules to solve.
Let's watch a small composition by the Young Brigades of Class 6th.
Saving money, saving money, saving money. When you've got a goal you want to reach, try saving up your money. Choose an amount, however small, and save until you reach your goal. Saving money, gonna reach our future goals by saving as we go. Saving money, they might seem far away, but today is the day to save something. Instead of always using money to buy chips, why not try saving some of it? It all adds up, and in the end, savings will be your friend. Saving money, there's no better time to start than now, and we will tell you how. Saving money, be it a little or a lot, whatever you got, you can save something. If you're like me and you have no money, you can still learn how to save. Take something you love and put it away, and save it for a rainy day. Saving is personal, it's different for us all. We all save different amounts, but we don't give up on what we got, 'cause we know every little counts. Saving money, gonna reach our future goals by saving as we go. Saving money, they might seem far away, but today is the day to save something. Saving money, gonna reach our future goals by saving as we go. Saving money, they might seem far away, but today is the day to save something.
What a useful message imparted by the young cadets of Finlet Club through a mesmerizing performance. Indeed, if everyone starts saving money at an early age, we could be financially able by the time we grow up as responsible citizens.
Now, I would like to hand over the stage to Vinita ma'am.
Thank you, Riddhi. Now I would like to invite Principal Ma'am to say a few words.
I was always there. Already dear students, switch on your videos.
Ms. Vita, please.
Yes. So we have interacted.
Yes.
So now this is an informal session, I think so. But I am not a financial advisor. But I can only give you challenge all the time. And always appreciate you. And always convey you like you should never underestimate yourself. Never underestimate your potential. Lot of inner strength is there in every one of us, which we never identify. And then when just see today's example, Yuvraj of class 4th, he was so curious and he was asking so good questions. Even he would not have been aware that I have the skill of asking a question. So this is also a skill. This is also a, like you can say, initiative. Many other students, they were also keen to ask the questions. Anyhow, let us be formal for some time. At the very outset, I would like to congratulate the entire team, the Finlit Club team of
Thank you, ma'am.
DNDA Pitampura, along with the teacher coordinators, everybody who is here on this platform for this very good initiative. Like for the induction of this club, for this session, as I always dream, like we should give more and more chance to the students of different potential. It should not be only academic potential, but many other skills are there in us, in all of us. So somebody is good in academic skills, somebody is good in the other skill. And in today's scenario, as you people see, as you people watch, the people around you, the circumstances around you, so we require so many other skills to be a successful person. As Kapil has told you, a डब्बे वाला example, as Yuvraj was saying के प्रेम जी कैसे इतने successful हो गए, we always see the success story, the result which is in front of us. If you think like this person is very successful, having a lot of money, but not in only on money matters, in any other field, success doesn't come within a day or so. It doesn't come. It is a rigorous effort. It is a continuing effort. It is a hard work. It is a commitment. As you people listen to, if you listen to some great orators, or you see some motivational videos, which you should always see, apart from enjoying yourself, as Kapil was sharing with you, you must read some books. So then you will come to know about the success stories, like how much hard work was there. As a perfect example in front of you, Modi ji, चाय वाले थे ना, वो चाय बेचते थे, सबको पता है ना इसका.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
उन्होंने तो कभी अपने आप को छोटा नहीं समझा कि मैं तो एक चाय वाला था, मैं तो प्रेसिडेंट बन गया भाई, मैं वो अभी भी प्राउडली कहेंगे कि मैं तो चाय वाला था. We should never be egoistic और एकदम हवा में ही नहीं उड़ना चाहिए. हमें अपनी रूट से हमेशा कनेक्ट होकर रहना चाहिए, जो मैं आपको हमेशा कहती हूँ. So the Modi ji is now again connected to his roots. He is always cherished those memories. We should be proud, like I was this person at that time and now I have grown to such a level. You see the example of your parents, your grandparents. Your grandparents, they have worked so hard so that your parents are at this level where they are today. Now your parents will again work hard for you people so that you can be better than them. This is a chain process in India system. Then you people, we want you to grow into that, because the life is so challenging these days. You never know like what you people are studying today, it is going to have any relevance in near future or not. These academic skills, we should be good in academics. Academic skills, maybe it is 70% of my success story. जो मैं बुक में पढ़ता हूँ बेटा, वो एक लेवल तक मुझे लेके जा सकता है, but if I am not focused, if I am not grooming myself in all other skills, social skills, emotional skills, mental well-being, physical well-being. Physical well-being is very important. You must have seen these days in COVID times. Have you seen this? If I am not physically well, if I am not mentally strong, then I am at risk. And if I am at risk, how I will perform my academic skill? So everything is interlinked. आप कहोगे कि हम तो बहुत छोटे हैं मैम, हमें ऐसी बातें बता रहे हैं. मैं आपको एक हार्ड फैक्ट बता रही हूँ, which you are aware, but we should focus on these lines. And this Finlit Club, it has been formed like to sensitize you people how to not save money. As Kapil has told you, manage your money. He has told you we should learn how to manage the money. Maybe I'm a science student, I'm a commerce student, I'm a humanities student. Everybody has to manage the money. If I will not manage the money, I will not learn from my parents or from the situation around me. So then I will not be successful. So whatever, if you're getting any gift from your parents in the form of money, you put in the piggy bank. And whenever you require, if anything essential is there, only then you go and buy. Otherwise, let the money grow. You will be so happy when you will grow older to see in your piggy bank like this much amount I have collected. You can open your accounts and then you can see how it is growing, interest rate क्या है and how it is. ये आप अपने आप learn कर सकते हैं. इसमें कुछ भी पढ़ाने वाली बात नहीं है. Like teacher is going to tell you. We must enjoy this skill. Sangeeta, I am right, Vinita?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So I am not teaching you. Let
Yes,
us
ma'am,
have
absolutely.
fun in everything, whatever we do, but fun with some objective. If I am enjoying myself, let me enjoy. If I want to read, I must read something. Read. अभी तो बेटा Google आपके पास है, क्लिक करोगे आपके पास सारी information आती है. Read that information, but only what is good for you, because you are getting so much negativity also. So again, very happy. Be proud of yourself wherever you are, whatever you are doing. If I am not proud of myself, I can't be successful. Visibility की बात की sir ने. I have to be visible. You are the torch bearers of DAV school also. You are the image built students of DAV and of your parents. If you will not speak about good about yourself and about your school, about your family, who will speak? Okay, getting me? If nobody is appreciating you, hardly matters. I should appreciate myself. I should appreciate my family. I should appreciate my parents. I should be proud of them. I should appreciate my teachers. I should appreciate my friends. This is a way of gratitude. And then you will be visible. We should speak good of others. Then people will speak good of us also. We should forgive others. Then people will forgive us also. It hardly matters if they will not forgive us. But we should always be at the giving end and receiving from our inner self. I have everything. God has given me everything. We are fortunate. We should be thankful to God. That way we can be true Aryans of DL, DAV, Pithampura and of your parents. Happy? Give a broad smile, all of you. And clap for yourself for this beautiful presentation you all have done. Day and night, Vinita ma'am has worked with you and the other teachers for making this happen.
Yes.
So proud of my faculty, which is always ready. Whatever challenge I give them, they accept this challenge. And that challenge is transformed into reality with you, dear students. And this challenge is only meant for you people, like whatever best we can, what platform we can give you, where you can grow. We are the mentors only. We can't go with you at every step. You people have to follow your path. Listen to your parents, listen to your teachers, listen to the surroundings, gather good things to be successful. Very small objectives. Let me fulfill those objectives, target them, and then you will be so successful. And let me tell you, all the alumni of DLDA Pithampura, they are success stories. Every person is a success story. Maybe you are getting commerce without math stream, hardly matters. Maybe you are getting science stream, hardly matters, or humanities, hardly matters. Wherever you are, work hard with an objective, with a goal, and then you will be a successful person. So once again, congratulations to you all for the wonderful initiative, and keep on this alive. Don't give up. कि आज एक induction ceremony होगी, certificate मिल गया, उसके बाद छुट्टी. I am not going to spare your teacher. She knows this, Vinita ma'am, because very small initiatives this club must take with the help of your coordinators, and you will talk to your teachers. Okay, ma'am, okay, let us take this initiative. Let us sensitize the students about this area.
Sure,
okay, all are charged. All are charged.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Should be charged. Maybe we are at home, hardly matters. We can do wonders. Lot of energy God has given us. Okay. So I would like to conclude with one quote. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Dear students, each day we must strive for constant and never-ending improvement. Okay. All the best to my faculty, to my students, and dear parents, if they are here with you. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your continuous guidance and support. And thanks for giving us challenges also. We will definitely try our level best to meet those
Any
challenges.
of you again want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Our newly elected office bearers.
Oh
would
my
like
God,
to-
Yuvraj ya फिर
Yes,
शुरू
ma'am.
करें?
Will speak.
हाँ
Yes.
जी बोलिए बोलिए. Yes.
Good morning, honorable principal ma'am and teachers. First of all, I want to say thank you to teachers and honorable principal ma'am for selecting me as a Finland Brigade Council member. Ma'am, according to me, saving money is a habit that we learn from our parents and family members. Ma'am, I want to purchase a new laptop for my online studies, and my mom saved to me. Save money from my pocket money. It is not the reason she does not have scope for purchasing new things, but she said to me, "You will definitely understood how save money help to purchase new things."
Very good. Your mother is here?
Yes, ma'am. My mother
I would
is
like to talk to her.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. So happy to see the energy in this boy, Yuvraj of class
Yes.
4.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
proud of
This-
him.
this is-
And so, yes.
This is just because of all the teachers and honorable principal ma'am. You gave a wonderful platform to them. So thankful to you, ma'am, giving such a wonderful opportunity, ma'am.
I'm
This
so
is
happy
just
seeing
because
his energy. Please don't give up, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Be a proud parent. Yes. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot for
Thank you.
giving such a
May
wonderful.
God bless you, beta.
We have
Thank
Vihan
you,
Madan.
honorable principal ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yes, any other student? Yes, Athar.
Vihan
हाँ जी, पहले
Madan
आप
from
बोलिए.
Vidhan Mahan from ma'am Cambridge wing also wants.
या अदर के बाद उससे बात.
Okay.
हाँ जी.
Athar, yes,
Thank
please.
you
speak.
so much, ma'am, for giving us such
I
a
can
great
see spark
platform.
in you. Don't let this spark diminish at any stage.
Thank you
Okay?
so much, ma'am, for giving us such a wonderful platform. In this platform, we can show our hidden talent or everything because of us and all the coordinator teachers. They guided us a lot in each and every way. Thank you so much, ma'am. We learned much about the financial freedom, the literacy, and I just promise, I take the pledge, I will just apply this financial thing in my life.
Very good. And
Ma'am,
sensitize your friends also. Okay? If
Ma'am.
anybody else wants to join this club, talk to your teacher. You are
Sure.
from which section?
Ma'am, 8th D.
Who is the class teacher?
Ma'am, Ritambara, ma'am.
Yeah. A lot of
Ma'am, I
spark in
want
you.
to speak something.
Yes, beta, yes.
Ma'am, FinLit means financial literacy. In this
Who is
club,
there?
we will...
Who is there?
Vihan Madan.
Behind your video is off.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Ma'am, now can you see me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, FinLit means financial literacy. In
Very
this
good.
club, we will learn about how to save money. Like, after saving money in a piggy bank, we can open a minor bank account and deposit our savings there so that we can get an annual returns interest. We will learn differences about need and wants. Need can be limited and wants are unlimited. In this club, we will do activities to learn to save money and fulfill some of wants as well.
Very good, Vihan. You are from which class?
Ma'am, 7th Cambridge.
Yeah, you have gathered a lot of information about your club. Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I would
ma'am.
also like to share my learning experience.
Yes, beta. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, firstly, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to you, ma'am, honorable principal, ma'am, for bestowing upon us this golden opportunity. It is wonderful to be a part of such an amazing team and get experiential learning about financial literacy, which will definitely prepare us for the future. And I learned that financial literacy is important because it equips us with the knowledge and skills we need to manage money efficiently. Learning about financial literacy at a young age will help us become financially responsible adults. I learned the value of compound interest, and I'm definitely going to invest my gift money using this learning.
Oh my God, you know so much more than us. So the teachers who are here, I think Vinita, Sangeeta, Renu is here, Rekha is here,
Yes, ma'am.
Pratibha ma'am is here, Riddhima, Charusmita. These are the teachers.
Seema
Yes, ma'am.
Bansal ma'am is here.
So see young learners in front of us.
Ma'am, they are very enthusiastic. and
Yes, so
eager to learn.
we must ask them to be like this only. Let the spirit not die. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I would also like to share.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sahira, yes.
Ma'am, today I'm feeling so good that I have got an opportunity to become a member of this club. This pandemic has taught us hard financial lessons. It has taught us the importance of saving money, and these days we all are looking for all the possible ways to save money. Today, I would like to share my endeavor to save money. Earlier, I used to spend so much of money on stationery, even if I'm not needing it, but now I stopped doing that, and now I'm purchasing it only when I'm not having it at
Very
all.
good. Your parents are there?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I speak, sir?
Yes, Priyanshi. Which class?
Ma'am, I'm from 5th G.
Great. So young, but it.
Ma'am, I want to share my real experience with you.
Oh my God, yes.
Ma'am, on my birthday or if I go to my maternal grandmother's house, then I get some money from there. I deposit all that money in my piggy bank. Then after that, I will go up after 6 months. If I broke my piggy bank, I got some money out of it, and I bought my tablet. So I'm very happy to see that tablet. That is my hard-earned money. In this way, I realized that I do not spend much money. I should save, and that time I've been used to enrich my studies today. In this way, I learned to save money, and my father also has done my LIC in my name.
Great. So here we have a platform where we can learn from each other, dear students. So Priyanshi, so proud of you. Rita Anand, ma'am, whatever seed you have sown through financial literacy exams, Rita, I think they are reaping now.
Ma'am?
Rita Anand,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
can
is
I
here?
speak, ma'am? Ma'am, this is my tab.
Oh, clap for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am? Ma'am,
Yes.
can I also speak? Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, but my camera is not working.
Who's there?
Ma'am, Lakshita, I'm from class 5th.
So all 5th and 4th class students are here. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to also share my real experience. Earlier, when my father worked in a job in Regal Palace, he was only getting 2,500 rupees, and I spent 500 rupees in 2 months. But now he is a businessman, and now I realize that earlier I spent in 2 months, now I spent it in one day 500 rupees.
You spend in one day.
Ma'am, now not, but when I was small.
Okay. So now you are realized.
Yeah,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. Thank you so much. Yes. Anybody else, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Dipansh, our president, also
Yes,
wants.
Dipansh. Uski turn ही नहीं आने दे रहे youngsters.
Everyone wants to speak. So
Everybody, yes.
I'm so happy connected to you all. Yes. Dipansh.
Financial literacy is an important part of avoiding financial mistakes and planning for a strong and secure financial future. Both academic as well as financial qualifications are important. Our school has taken the initiative to sensitize the students financially, and I have been bestowed with this opportunity as the president of Finlit Club. I ensure to make all the required efforts to spread awareness amongst the peer group about financial literacy. I want to thank Principal Ma'am and all the teacher coordinators for the trust shown in me. And as the president of Finlit Club, I solemnly pledge to render my duties sincerely and obediently. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, beta. May God bless you. Yes.
Vedant-
Anybody else? Or any
Vedant will
parents are there? Yes. Mrinang. Which class?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am Vedant. Ma'am, being a
Vedant, yes, ninth class. Yes.
Ma'am, being a part of the Finlit Club has been a great learning experience for me. Ma'am, learning how to manage your money appropriately to be economically firm in life and how to plan financial goals for the greatest returns at a later stage It has immensely helped me understand the significance of a goal-based approach to financial planning. And Ma'am, as the coordinator of the Young Brigade, I would always do my utmost to sensitize all the members regarding financial literacy and planning. And Ma'am, the NCLAT exam has also been of profound assistance in understanding the importance of
Ma'am
finance.
was telling me today morning, like Vedant was after me when he was in class 6th, that this exam was going on. So this is a passion like you are having in yourself. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am. So I'm immensely grateful to you, ma'am, and all the teachers and staff who have worked tirelessly to spread awareness about financial literacy amongst the students. Thank you, ma'am.
So this is our speaking classroom, and I want speaking classrooms only, where students speak and we learn from them, and we can just guide from the back, because this is your age, your time. Yes, Hanji, Arnav, Daya, Dipanshu's brother.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I am saving from since 2 years. I am daily saving the money which I got from my grandparents, parents, or any other relative on birthday and other festivals. And every time at the end of the year, at the new year time, I opened that and it was around every year 5,000 to 6,000 rupees.
Very good. So this is perfect
it was
example
very-
of saving money. Good. Very good, beta. So I think we can conclude, or anybody else is here?
Ma'am, I want to say.
Okay.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am and all the students. Thank you, ma'am, for inviting us to this FinLit group. Fin means financial and lit meaning literacy, which means use money with your knowledge.
Thank you, beta, for understanding and then implementing these things in your real life. Okay? Good. Yes. Any parent is here? Anybody's parents are there to share the proud moment? Because you are the grand brigade and you're going to get the portfolios. You are getting portfolios. So you should be proud of yourself and share with your friends and with your parents. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Convey to them. Be visible of your achievements. Okay, Vinita, I think we can conclude now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
And thanks to everybody. So happy, so proud of being a part of this ceremony.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for a great interactive session with you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, on this occasion, I would also like to mention our dedicated colleague, Ms. Neeta Chavda, who is not longer with us, but keeps blessing and guiding us from heaven.
He is the person who initiated this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So I formally express my sincere gratitude to you, who has always guided and inspired us. I thank to Mr. Kapil also, though he has left the meeting. I am thankful to all the in charges and our team of teachers who have been working round the clock. And last but not the least, our technical expert, Ruchika ma'am, and all the technical expert members and all the other office bearers of FinLit Club. Thank you so much.
Vinita, it's a proud feeling for you, because when I initiated this, everybody was feeling, ma'am, kaise hoga, kaise hoga.
Yes,
but now see how proud moment this is.
Yes,
So we should always be ready to take small challenges, as I've told you, dear students, and help the teachers to achieve that. This is only for you people. And we are also learning. We are a learning part along with you. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Tanisha, for the Shanti part. Yes, better please conclude.
Get ready for the Shanti part.
ॐ द्यौ शान्ति अन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्ति ॐ